Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get vitamin C naturally for skin step by step. Begin with simple dietary swaps and topical choices to boost skin vitamin C right away. Focus on whole foods, like citrus and berries, and introduce a stable topical serum in the morning. Pair with sunscreen and gentle exfoliation 2 to 3 times weekly. Track results and reduce frequency if irritation appears to protect your skin barrier and progress. In this video, I will explain how to get vitamin C naturally for skin step by step. Start by prioritizing fresh fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C, like oranges, strawberries, and peppers. Include them raw or lightly cooked to preserve nutrients and add variety across meals. Combine with healthy fats for better nutrient absorption and enjoy regular servings throughout the day. Consistent intake supports collagen production and overall skin resilience in a natural, sustainable way. In this video, I will explain how to get vitamin C naturally for skin step by step. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow, and check the description for the Darn Tough Socks link and other deals. Quick recommendation. These socks feel like a cozy, long-lasting treat after self-care routines, and they make a funny but useful pairing with skincare pampering. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to get vitamin C naturally for skin step by step. Introduce a stable topical serum containing vitamin C to your morning routine and store it away from light and heat. Apply to clean skin, wait a minute, then follow with moisturizer and sunscreen for best protection. Start with a lower concentration if you have sensitive skin and increase gradually as tolerated. Consistency and gentle layering enhance benefits without compromising skin comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.